You search for how to buy shares of Pinnacle Food Group Ltd, so let me guide you through the essentials. Pinnacle Food Group Ltd operates in the packaged foods and food processing sector and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PFAI. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PFAI to find the company listing. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ result for Pinnacle Food Group Ltd. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart for context. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange and ticker to ensure it is the right stock. Tap the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may become pending, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same workflow.